Okay, today we're going to make the side part for the pegboard in Autodesk Inventor. First thing I'm going to need to do is start a sketch. I always like to start on the XY plane. If you like to start on the XZ or the YZ, totally fine, but I always like to go with the XY plane. Once I start a sketch, I'm going to click my rectangular piece. I like to snap it into the middle here once it turns green. Click, drag, and I'm going to type in 4. Press the tab button, type in 8, enter to get my dimensioned rectangle. And then you can notice that I can't see the entire rectangle, so I'm going to go over here and click the home button. You can see my rectangle then. To extrude this to make it a 3-dimensional shape, we're going to finish the sketch and come over and click the extrude button. Once I click extrude, this should automatically pop out, which it does. I want it to be extruded 1 inch so you can see it already has it, so I don't have to click anything. If yours for some reason doesn't have 1 inch, make sure you type in 1 and click OK. Next, I need to start a new sketch on the side piece over here. So I click Start Sketch, coming over here. Once it highlights white, I click the side, and I want to put a rectangle on the side. Now notice when I come in here, this yellow circle will turn green. Or sorry, not turn green. It'll snap into place. You can see that it kind of stays there. And I'm going to pull this rectangle out. And I'm going to type in, I want it to be a 1/2 inch, so I'm going to type in 0.5, press tab, type in 1, and then press enter. So I have my dimensioned rectangle. I know it's not necessarily in the right place yet, but that's fine because I'm going to come up here and click dimension. And when I click dimension, notice that when I put my cursor over top of the top side or the top line, it turns white. So I click on that line, come down, click on this line, pull it out, and I'm going to type in 3.5 because I need the top of my extruded rectangle that I'm making right now to be 3.5 inches from the top of the entire part. Click enter. From there, I'm going to finish the sketch, come back over to extrude, and I'm going to click on this rectangle I just made. See how it goes out towards the right? I need it to go in the opposite direction. So I'm going to change the direction, and I can either slide it all the way across, type in the value, or I can just come up here to distance and click all, click OK, and there you have it.